Hello, hello! Welcome to day 3 of my Fantasy Heads challenge. After an orc and a dwarf, today I'm going to paint a character designed by Cat and Callaway for the game Cold War 3. Please correct me if you know the exact name of this character. So as usual, I first sketch the outline, then splash some light tone paint onto the paper as the base, and then blend in darker colors accordingly, from light to dark, from big shapes to small lines. Not always in this order, but most of the time. It's just easier. This goat-faced monster looks cold-blooded and in the hunt for something. So I painted his skin with grayish blue and lowered my viewpoint to add some dramatic feelings. That's why those trees are painted in this kind of perspective. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.